How to remove login password from Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and under this video we will learn how we can remove login password from Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go to your settings, click on the search icon, now go to your settings. Under settings, you have to navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. Click on these options as accounts. Once you're under the accounts, scroll down and under account settings, you have to go to sign in options. Here now, click on password. There you have an option to change it, click on change. Once you see this kind of interface here, you have to enter your current password. Then click on next. And on the next prompt, you'll be asked to enter your new password and confirm it. But there you have to leave the text field empty. Do not type anything there. Then click on save. Once you do that, now you have removed your password. After that, click on your start icon or start menu. Click on your profile. Then you have to click on sign out. Once you sign out and if you try to log in back, it will not require any password. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.